Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to build a website on Godaddy. First, you will create your Godaddy account, which is a simple process, often offering a free trial without requiring credit card details. Next, select a website builder plan that aligns with your goals, whether it's a basic informational site or an online store. Finally, choose and register a memorable domain name, like your business name, to establish your unique. Once your account is set up, it's time to design your site. Godaddy offers a rich assortment of customizable templates, catering to various industries. You can also leverage Godaddy's AI to generate an initial website layout by answering a few simple questions about your business. The user-friendly drag-and-drop editor allows you to effortlessly place elements and customize your chosen template. With all cables connected, it's time to power everything on. First, press the power button on your full HD media player. You might see an indicator light illuminate. Next, turn on your television using its remote control. Then, using your TV remote, navigate to the input or source menu and select the HDMI input number where you connected your media player. You should now see the media player's main interface displayed on your screen. Before going live, always preview your website to ensure it looks great on both desktop and mobile screens, as over 50% of visitors use mobile devices. Double-check all content for accuracy and confirm that every link works as intended. When you are confident, simply click the Publish button. Your new Godaddy website will then be live and accessible to everyone online.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.